Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sami Aldianto. Today I will present the basic of Go programming. Go is a really popular language at the moment, and for good reason. It's a really great language to learn. I'm gonna give you an overview of the language, and by the end of the video you will hopefully have the skills that you need to write simple programs. If you go to golang.org, you will find a link to able to download and install Go. If you're on Mac, you can use brew install Go. So I'm going to actually create this folder and cd into folder, and this folder is our workspace inside here. We need initialize project by writing command gmod init, follow by name of project module, and open the editor. Let's make our first Go file. You will often see them being called main.go, but it can actually be called anything. The first line in a Go file needs to be the name of the package. Every project, at least if you want to able to execute it, need to have a package called main. The next section is the import package main. The next section is the import, is where you can import different packages. There are a lot of people usable packages in the standard library. A common one is fmt, which has a function related input and output. So open bracket and close bracket. And then you can list out all the packages that you want to import. Not there are no comma in this list. We'll just use fmt for now. Next, let's look at the function. You can use fun keyword followed by name of the function. And the first one you want is a function called main. It takes no argument and no return value. But this is where the program starts. A function called main inside of the package called main. This is will output example hello world to the terminal. To run this, you can use go run followed by name of the file. If you want to compile the code into an executable, that you can use go build. Go run main.go. Yeah, hello world. Go build in the program directory, so this time it doesn't run our code. There's no output. There's no output here in the terminal, but what it has created in this binary file here isn't an executable in Windows. It's going to be a .exe file, and we can run in the terminal. Go build main.go, and we can run main. Okay, hello world. Now I will switch to using the Go playground in the browser to run the Go program more quickly and flexible. Yeah, like here. Now let's look at the variable. To declare a variable, you use the var keyword followed by the name. Example, name, age, of the variable, and then the type, string. Example, we have value Sami Aldianto, and if we run the program, yeah, Sami Aldianto. So I could do this again and then add the two integers together, so we get 12. When we give a variable an initial value, like we're doing here, there are shorthand syntax that we can use: drop the var and a colon and equals, and then add the value, and we can omit the type because Go can infer it. So this is the same as what we had before. If I do this to all of them, you can see we get the same result. Yeah. Go has only one looping construct, the for loop. The basic for loop has three components separated by comma, by comma or semicolons. The basic for loop has three components. The first is the init statement. This is init the init statement. The condition expression, and then the condition expression. And the post statement execute the end of every iteration. Let's try to run this code. Yeah, unexpected expecting. Expecting. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is not need the bracket. Yeah, like this. Let's try to run again. Yeah. The init statement will often be a sort variable declaration. The variable declared that are visible only at the scope of the for statement. The loop will stop iterating once the boolean condition evaluated to false. Like this, when the until 10, it will stop. For infinite loop, you can use if you omit the loop condition, it loop forever. Also, an infinite loop is compactly expression like this. If you run this, yeah, this is error. Yo, never stop. Time at running program. Whoa. If Ghost if statement are like its for loop. The expression is not be surrounded by parentless, but the brace are required. If you start to run, okay, that's mean if a variable lower low to 10, so will print fnt print line. Okay, if a variable declare inside and if sort statement are also available of the else block. Yeah. Not okay. Okay, right. Another section is about array. An array length is part of its type, so array can be resized. This seems limiting, but don't worry. Go provide a confident way of working with arrays. Slice an array has a fixed size. A slice, on the other hand, is a dynamically sized, flexible view into the element of an array. In practice, slices are much more common than array. For a data to slice, we can use keyword append keyword. This is the slice and data. This is we write the data like some, and we try to run this slice sample and run. Yeah, type string is not expression. Oh, yeah. Okay, same. If we want to add again, we run. Yeah, we have 3 data. So, and the next section is map. A map maps keys to values. The 0 value of a map is nil. A nil map has no keys. Nor can keys be added. The map function return a map of the given type, initialized and ready for use. Map sample map string. Example, we use the interface, and for okay, we'll run this code. Yeah, this is how we have one map. The key is 1, and the value is semi-def. And how we try to do the mutating maps. Example, insert or update an element in map. For insert, we have like this. This is the insert. And we have a retrieve an element. Example, with the retrieve. Example, retrieve 1. Okay, we have access with map sample 1. So we run again. Yeah, semi-def, because the value use the key 1 is semi-def. And how the delete a key or an value in the map? We can use delete keyword, the map name and the key. The key is 1, and we can to retrieve again and not found. Okay, we try. Okay, oops, delete maps. Yeah, retrieve 1 again after we delete. Yeah, nil, because the data with have key 1 was delayed. Let's talk about function. A function can take some hello, say hello. A function can take 0 or more arguments and returns value. In this example, it takes 2 parameters of the type integer. We have a b variable. The type is integer and return value is integer with the name return value result, and we can with easily result a plus b, adding result fb, and we return. Example again, we create another function and subtract a b int a subtract with b and return. So we can call this function here. I think we pass the value 1 2 and subtract 2 3. We'll have empty print line and subtract, and we can run this. Yeah, 1 plus 2, 3, and to subtract with 3 minus 1. And we have a function can return any number of result called a multiple result. Example, the swap to number like we swap 1, 2. Right, we can create a function swap with have 2 parameter, and we declare C variable to A, B to C to B, B to A, and A to C, like this, and we return this is A B. Like we return, and we try to swap, and we fmt print line A and B. We run this code, yeah, and we find a B hasil. Oh, this will have the type int. We run against duplicate argument A, a hasil. Okay, we run against undefined C. Okay, we run again, and yeah, 2 and 1 we will swap. The before is 1 and 2. After swap we print 2 and 1. And next, the last section, I'll explain about struct. A struct is a collection of fields. Struct fields are accessed using a dot. We can create struct. Example, and we can access field in the struct with using a dot. std the student, and the name is Sam, and identifier like this, and we fmt the print line std.name or fmt print line std.identifier. We run this. Oh, unexpected. Oh, this is the okay. We run again. Oh, non-identifier. Identifier. Undefined. Also. Okay, like this. We try to run again. Std item type student has no field. Okay. We run it again. Unexpected expecting. This is expecting, and the main student we have struct right. Yeah, this is the same, and the identifier is this, and we example, we can access the name with std.name. We'll run. Yeah, the name is Sam, or we can call the identifier, run against, and yeah. So we have learned the basic of Go programming language. Thank you.